I'm alive. I fell down from the waterfall.
So far. First of all, because it's not raining, the forecast improved. I'm super happy and looking forward because we planned so much. But first of all, I think it's a perfect moment to finally introduce you to my family. That's my lovely little sister Annie. Hey guys! And that's her husband Dan. So you're gonna see them heaps in the next vlogs, and they are the reason why we are traveling this time. So we have arrived to a beautiful place called Birdwoods Gallery. That's in Havelock North, which is like 30 minutes drive from Napier, but it's totally a perfect place to kickstart the day because they do not only have a cafe here with the most beautiful trays of coffee that you can even imagine, but they also have a lollies shop, a real fruit ice cream store, and there's beautiful sculptures, the entire garden of beautiful sculptures. Let's go and have a look around. Cape Kidnappers is the place that never disappoints. It's our second time here and the weather today is like the worst you can imagine, but still it's so amazing. Like, if you love nature, heaps of beautiful views out here. If you love history, there are lots of interesting facts that guys are telling you. The ride itself on those old beautiful tractors is such an amazing and unique experience. So it's like everything in these 4 hours, well, you're like happiest kids in the world. Amazing.
This is actually one of my favorite places here in Hawke'S Bay, but the weather is really crap today. Sometimes it's drizzle, sometimes it's just heavy rain, but all the time it's just so cloudy, sometimes really windy. But still, this place is really beautiful, and if you ever have some time when you're in Hawke'S Bay, just don't hesitate, just go for it. Go for this tractor tour. It is just under 15-20 minutes walk to the Cape Kidnappers scenic lookout, but it's quite challenging. It is really difficult. Guys, don't have your lunch before you're going up to the hill. It's just ridiculous to do this.
We found love here, together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. You got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue eyes, so I can't let you go without telling you this now. I wanna see you again. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? Oh, we can make it for the world to see, 'cause now I know you'll be a part of me. I wanna
Craggy Range winery is famous for producing the best wine in Southern Hemisphere, and it's true, it's like an official title, but what's more important, it's just so gorgeous here. Look at those epic views, and it's always so peaceful here, and somehow reminds me of Europe, like a beautiful suburban town somewhere in France, lost in those green wineries. It's just amazing.
I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there?
And we're now at the Maraetotara Falls, which is actually one of the hidden gems of Hawke'S Bay, in my opinion. We're just now having this short walk, and I already can hear sounds of the waterfall. Guess what? I fell down from the waterfall, just right from the top to the bottom, to the rocks. But fortunately, only the camera is a little bit broken, but I'm alive.
Yeah, that's the main
this
thing.
is just unbelievable, because it's, I don't know, it's 2-3 meters, and it's just all rocks everywhere. So I guess probably, I'm not sure, but probably it's the end of today's vlog.
Or maybe that's all for today's vlog. That's 55 seconds.
Yeah, I tried to save the memory card. It was the first thing that I'd done after I fell down, so probably, yeah, the footage is alright, I'm not sure. But if not, so we'll try to figure out what we'll do next, how to vlog and everything, so we'll keep you updated. And anyway, just subscribe to our channel, because Everything is great. See you
Yeah.
guys soon.
Bye.